The 90s were fabulous. I absolutely love the beauty and fashion from that era. So today we are going to recreate the 90s supermodel iconic glam. It was all about that sultry yet simple makeup with a warmer neutral lip. Because I wanted a warm lip, I did go warm on the makeup as well. I might even do a part 2 going more neutral. We're starting off with a brow bone highlight. This is just the P. Louise base. I feel like it's in 03. And I do this with my current makeup routine anyway, so there you have it. And honestly, I could have skipped this step of priming my eyes because my eyeshadow was exactly the same color as my lids. But I'm just blending it out. And I'm going to take this beautiful brown from this Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. I'm also going to blend it out into the brow bone highlight just to blend that out further because not too much. And then, what am I doing next? I'm taking the contour shade from the Black Radiance palette. And I'm just going to give my eyes some definition by adding it to the outer corner and just blending it all the way up. Why can't I say blending it all the way up? And I don't know why I didn't show this product, but I'm using the LA Girls cream liner. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm blending it out, as you can see right now, because I wanted it to be smoky and, capturing. Then we're gonna go in with lashes, and I got these off Temu. They are super cute, very natural. They give extensions. I really like them. And because my eyes are big and wide, I just add another little piece on the end just to extend it a little bit. And it also makes it thicker, which is a plus. And I feel like that fits my eye very well. So now we're gonna go in with my base makeup. I'm just doing my regular foundation routine, but I did add this primer and look like your makeup is gonna stick, okay? I'm not gonna go into detail on this because I do have a foundation routine, so I will link it down below, but this is what I do every single time. I don't care what era we are in. I'm just gonna evolve with my base, like I'm not gonna retrace any steps, okay? So that's all we're doing right here. I think it's really cute. I really like these lashes with that smoked out liner. Like that's really cute. That's super cute. But then I'm just taking that contour shade that I used. I'm putting that right under my eye just to give a little drama. Like I really do want it to be soft and natural, but I felt like it would have been incomplete without it. So that's why I added that. And then for my lip, I use this lip all the time and I can't remember the name. Like something is going on with me today. I put it down below, but it is from NYX. It's like a sepia type color. Sepia, I don't even know how you pronounce that, but I really like it. I don't honestly like the brown liner that I chose for it, but it's okay. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is something I would do every day, honestly. Like, it's super cute. But let me know what you guys think. Should I do a part 2?